Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make omelet pizza. Start by gathering your ingredients. You'll need about 3 to 4 large eggs, a splash of milk or cream, and your favorite pizza toppings. Think about what you love on a traditional pizza. Whisk the eggs and milk together until they are light and fluffy. This simple step is key to a delicious omelet base. Now let's cook the omelet base. Heat a 10-inch non-stick skillet over medium-low heat with about 1 tablespoon of butter. Pour the whisked egg mixture into the pan, ensuring it spreads evenly. Let it cook undisturbed for about 2 to 3 minutes, or until the edges start to set and the center is still slightly runny. This is where the pizza magic happens. Sprinkle your prepared toppings and about 1/2 cup of shredded cheese evenly over the partially cooked eggs. Cover the skillet with a lid. Continue cooking for another 3 to 5 minutes, or until the cheese is beautifully melted and bubbly and the eggs are completely set through. Your delicious omelet pizza is ready. Carefully slide it from the skillet onto a cutting board. You can then slice it into 4 to 6 wedges, just as you would a regular pizza. For an extra touch, garnish with some fresh herbs like basil or oregano. Serve it warm and enjoy this quick, customizable meal any time of day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.